Oh yes, in this video I would like to review and explain about the great tiny house design. And this tiny house has one terrace on the front side with a membrane canopy over there, and the dimension is around 4 and 9 meter for the length. And I will show you about the floor plan anyway. It's so great arrangement of the floor plan, I mean, because it has much room and much function in the small space like this layout arrangement anyway. And first of all, we can look for the master bedroom. It has a master bedroom with the dimension around 2.3 and 2.2 meter, and it can accommodate for the mini twin bedroom anyway. And it has a wardrobe over there. It has a wardrobe, and it has one sink, wastafel, and closet and shower cabinet. And it is, I think it is about the great arrangement and floor plan arrangement on this master bedroom on this small space anyway. And then for the middle room or living room anyway, this is open layout concept of this living room between the letter L or L-shaped sofa with a circular table with a wall-mounted TV on over there, wall-mounted TV, and then it has a kitchen. It has a kitchen. Okay, I will show about the field of view option. It has a kitchen with simple but large vibes dining room. So because it could accommodate a lot of seat anyway, and it can accommodate around 6 seat anyway. Okay, and this is about the kitchen with one sink, and this is one countertop, and it has cabinet on the above of this kitchen cabinet or above the window kitchen. Then it has wardrobe, small wardrobe over there. It has some small wardrobe over there in this area, and it has some small refrigerator space over there, and it has some small cabinet on this space anyway. Okay, and then this is about the storage space in here. We can access for the outside of this tiny house, and it has one out space bathroom and closet. It has a wastafel, closet, and shower cabinet over there with enough daylighting in this window anyway. So I think it's great arrangement of this tiny house anyway. And then the special thing in this tiny house are it has a lot of bed over there. It has 2 single bed with a parallel position, and it has a 1 bunk bed, so it could accommodate 4 people more after this master bedroom. So I think this is so special tiny house. It perfect planned for a tiny house concept anyway, with terrace area, minibar on the semi outdoor space, because it has one canopy, one membrane in this area anyway. And this is for the look for the interior concept anyway. You can see about this. I think it's so great enough anyway, and it's a lot of transparent window and door, so it could be maximize the daylighting system into the indoor room anyway. Thanks for watching, and just wait for my next video. Thank you.